For this entertainer to take the stage, we're going to get some music from our DJ. Phone, a brand new tablet, also brand new set-top box as well.
Walesi is behind this initiative to launch DigitalFiji across Fiji. And Walesi, as you know, is the digital TV arm of the government. And what we do is we have introduced digital television across Fiji. We currently have 122,000 plus Walesi boxes distributed across Fiji. We also have a phone app which you can download from the Google Store or from the Apple Store, and we currently have 119,000 plus users for this service. So we've had 119,000 downloads for the Walesi app. So as you can see, people have embraced this digital technology across Fiji, and digital TV is here. On that note, we also have partnered with DigitalFiji to launch the mandate of having launch DigitalFiji across Fiji. And our first initiative was to provide FNU students free Wi-Fi at all their campuses, and currently 18,500 plus students, FNU students, have free Wi-Fi as part of the DigitalFiji initiative. The next phase of DigitalFiji was to launch public Wi-Fi. And public Wi-Fi is something where you get 1 hour free internet across Fiji at public spots daily, so you can use 1 hour free internet in these public places and enjoy connectivity and high-speed internet. This is the 14th site across Fiji, and we are proud to be here today. The Prime Minister's vision was to ensure that Fiji enters the digital world, and DigitalFiji was born out of that vision. Today we're proud to say this is the 14th site, and across Fiji 19,500 plus users utilize this service weekly. That's the free Wi-Fi at public sites. So you will now have the opportunity in Valelevu to add to that number, and we are very proud to be here today. We're very happy that we finally come here, and this is our 14th site. Before we launch this, I'd like to thank some of our sponsors, Courts, Vodafone, Digicel. They've given some good prizes here, and for all those students that have entered in those competitions, you'll see the prizes shortly. On that note, before we launch, once again, thank you to the Fiji government, the Honourable Prime Minister, for his vision, for his vision to take us into this digital world. And also, I'd like to thank the Walesi team. They've done great work in ensuring that 122,000 plus people have digital boxes, 119,000 people have Walesi apps, and now 19,000 people weekly using the free Wi-Fi spots. Thank you once again. I'm going to ask Alan to take over for the launch.
Check. All right, Valelevu, are you ready for free Wi-Fi? If you're ready for free Wi-Fi, everybody yell, make some noise! Daila! All right, here we go. Launching free Wi-Fi in Valelevu. 3, 2, 1. Free Wi-Fi in Valelevu! Ladies